Woo-wee. What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and this is one cool looking color. I'm not disappointed, not blown away. I do like the white titanium better. I thought this would be a little bit brighter, but it is a cool looking color. It does give off a chameleon, I don't even know if that's a word, effect about it. Sometimes you hold it a different way, it looks lighter, sometimes it looks darker, sometimes it looks... I did want to get into the system here. Obviously it has that new action button here, so you can set up different things. You can customize it here. You can do silent mode, which is the default. If you hold it down, you'll get silent mode. If you want to do focus, which is silence your notifications, you can do that. Silent mode, notifications. You can set up your camera on here. You could also do your flashlight, which is probably a pretty good thing to have on your phone. Voice memo, magnifier, shortcut, which you could set up different apps within the power button. You could set this, I'm gonna go ahead and set this to the camera so that we can take a photo, yo. So if you hold this down, boom, you get camera and you're good to go. But yeah, let's talk about the camera. As we all know, this has this comes in 256, 512, and 1 terabyte. Unlike the iPhone 15 Pro that comes in a 128, 256, 512, 1 terabyte. But this has a 5-time telephoto zoom, so a little better than last year's iPhone, but still not a 10-time zoom like the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now this has a 42 megapixel main shooter, also 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 12 megapixel 2x telephoto, and that 5x telephoto lens. You get that the new chip, which is the A17 Pro, but this is a 6.7 inch display. It's a big boy. This is the creme de la creme when it comes to iPhone. So I did have the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I did enjoy that. Now, holding this, it does feel noticeably lighter than the 14 Pro Max. It is lighter than the 14 Pro Max, but it does feel a little easy to hold. I do like the feel of the 15 Pro a little better than this one. And I like the white titanium. This blue titanium is nice, but it is not all that I would like. I think I would like the natural better, and definitely like the white titanium more than this one. But you know, this is nice how they put the blue inside the glass here. So the design is pretty phenomenal. I'm not gonna lie. You know, it's definitely a nice design. But I'm gonna enjoy trying out the camera. You know, you're able to shoot ProRes on here straight to an SSD card, SSD drive. Shoots ProRes video. You get 4K 24, 25, 30, 60. You get everything on here. Cinematic mode, 4K HDR. You get, like I said, you get that ProRes video if you're shooting on here. So you get a lot of different, and you get that awesome the 120 hertz ProMotion refresh rate. So you're able to, you know, use your phone super fast. This is definitely a big phone, but it is definitely pretty sweet looking. Big changes, no more lightning cable or Apple. This is Type-C, and it comes with this braided cable here, and you'll be able to charge your phone just like any other Type-C that from your MacBook or your iPad or even an Android phone. This does have speeds up to 3.0, so you'll be able to transfer some data very fast. So that is very good addition to iPhone. It's about time. Now you don't have to worry about borrowing a charger from anybody or worrying about it. You'll be able to do Type-C, and that's awesome. That's gonna do it, man. I just want to kind of do an unboxing of this. I'm gonna do some case reviews for this phone, but definitely a beauty. I do like the blue and different. Sometimes it looks gray, sometimes it looks black. It's got kind of like a chameleon thing to it. So, but hey, what are you gonna do? But drop down in the comments, tell me what you guys think of this one. This is the blue beauty. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the iPhone 15 Pro, the Pro Max. I do want to use the 5x zoom, but I just don't know if that's something that is needed at the moment for me to have. So 5x zoom may be something that I can get away without, but it will be interesting. Also has some cool, you could shoot portrait without choosing portrait. So it's going to be able to, when it comes to people, dogs, cats, those kind of thing, it's going to be able to take a portrait shot, or you're going to be able to adjust even though you didn't select portrait. So it's a lot of cool features, man. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max in the blue titanium. I appreciate you guys watching. Drop down, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Also hit that notification bell so you know when videos like this are coming. I am a little concerned though with the titanium on the sides with this color, that it does smudge a lot. The white titanium has that silver rail around the side, but definitely a beautiful phone. Yeah, and it's coming in hot, so can't wait to show it off. That is the iPhone 15 Pro Max blue titanium. Peace.